Since I can sing, I can really help you master tones using the right methods that fit your learning style. Xin chào, I'm Tommy. I am a native Vietnamese language coach, travel consultant, and artist who makes learning sensational. I hold a degree in teaching and translation from a respected university in Saigon, Vietnam. So let me teach you something real quick today. Jar, jar, jar is the Vietnamese verb for to give. So if you want to say give me one pho, you might think it's cho tôi một phở. No! Here's the thing, in everyday language, we never say that. Instead, we say cho tôi một tô phở. We add the word tô, which means bowl. That's how people naturally speak in everyday language. So in my lessons, I only teach you the real everyday Vietnamese, the kind that we actually use in conversation. Did you know that if you add a tone mark on top of the word ja, you have to raise your voice? Like, it's kind of like asking a question in English. Like, ja, ja. See, I raise my voice very high. It's how it becomes dark. Like,
Visit explorevietnam.ca for Vietnamese lessons and free courses. Speak fearlessly with Tommy.